Hey howdy, it's Andrew Knight with Icebox Performance, built by Radiator Supply House, here to talk to you about our part number 850283. This particular radiator is for a Caterpillar IT28G tool carrier and a 928G wheel loader. When you've got this radiator, one thing you're going to look for is the core dimensions. It's going to be top to bottom is 29.5 and your 31 7/8 left to right. You've also got this oil cooler here in your bottom tank. With this unit, we do, again, the wide fin spacing, but we also do steel fins. So that means those fins are rock solid. You gotta worry about spraying it out, anything like that. You're not gonna be laying those fins over, which is a huge benefit down the road. Part numbers for this particular unit, your radiator part number is gonna be a 1133567, or your group part numbers, you're gonna have a 1664778 or a 1133636. If you got any of those part numbers, give us a call. We've got what you need. If you got any questions, feel free to visit radiatorsupplyhouse.com or give us a call. Thanks a lot. Bye.